In this question we're asked to simplify 3 root 3 minus 2 root 5 all over 2 root 3 plus root 5. So in this question, to simplify this fraction containing surds, what we need to do is rationalise it. In order to rationalise it, we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So that is the denominator rewritten such that the sign in the middle has been reversed. So instead of 2 root 3 plus root 5, we're going to have 2 root 3 minus root 5. And that's going to be multiplying both the top and the bottom. Okay, so taking time to expand this, 3 root 3 times 2 root 3, multiply the integers first of all. I get 6, multiply the surds, root 3 times root 3 gives me root 3. And it's fine to just do it in pairs of terms like this. Make life easy for yourself, don't try to overcomplicate things. So then 3 root 3 times root 5, so we get minus 3, and then root 3 times root 5 gives me root 15. Moving on, minus 2 root 5 times 2 root 3, so we get minus 2 times 2 is minus 4, and then root 5 times root 3 is root 15. And then finally, minus 2 root 5 times root 5 gives us plus 2, and then root 5 times root 5 is 5. This is all over. So all we have to do is do 2 times 2, which is 4, multiplied by root 3 times root 3, which is 3. Take away root 5 times root 5, which is 5. So remember that this is a difference of 2 squares, so we only really need to square the leading term and subtract the square of the following term. So now simplifying our expressions, we get 18 plus 10 is 28, and then minus 7 root 15, all over 12 minus 5, which is 7. Now to avoid silly mistakes when you're cancelling, you should really factorise the top. Here we have a common factor of 7, so I get 7 times 4 minus root 15 all over 7, and then we can see that those two terms, the 7 and the 7, cancel, leaving just 4 minus root 15. Okay, so let's have a look to see how the marks are awarded here. First of all, there's a method mark for multiplying top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. Second of all, there is an answer mark for correctly expanding the numerator. There is an answer mark for correctly expanding the denominator. And finally, there is an answer mark for getting to the fully simplified answer. Okay, well I hope you was able to follow my solution and understood how to mark the question.